In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own nutrient-rich hair gel using flax seeds, essential oils, your favorite styling gel, and a few supplies. First, start off by pouring 2 1/4 cups of water into your pot. Make sure you set your burner to a medium-low or medium heat level. Then add 1/4 cup of flax seeds into the pot and give them a nice stir. And as it starts to boil, make sure you stir frequently. When you start to see this gooey, stringy mixture, that's when you know it's turning into your flaxseed gel. So it looks like my flaxseed gel is all done now. So here I have a knee-high pantyhose that I'll be using to strain my gel. And make sure you use some tongs to squeeze out as much gel as possible. And while it's still warm, you can add your essential oils. I like to add 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Avocado oil is lightweight and is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and provide moisture and strength. I'm adding a few drops of ylang ylang. Ylang ylang is known as nature's conditioner, meaning it helps to regulate sebum production. So this will leave your hair feeling very soft. And I'm adding a few drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties as well as aids in healthy hair growth. Plus, it smells great and helps to reduce stress. So I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to mix together my flaxseed gel and my favorite styling gel. Here I am using Eco Styling Gel. And I will just add a few spoonfuls to make the flaxseed gel and the styling gel about equal parts. I absolutely love this mixture because the flaxseed gel provides the nutrients and stretches my curls, and the styling gel provides the hold and shine. Give this a try on your own hair and let me know what you think in the comments.